another fight. Yeah, apple bottom make 'em wanna bite. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. About to catch another fight.
Hey guys, good morning. So don't mind my face, I might look all, you guys understand, but I just woke up. But I had to do this video because I have never met a vendor like this. So I actually ordered something off Twitter from a lady from Twitter. I ordered this top and I was skeptical it was going to come, but it was 2,000 naira, so I just did it. So I ordered this bodysuit and I was supposed to have picked it up since, but I didn't, and then it came in today. And you guys, this lady is the sweetest. Like, she is literally the sweetest. I haven't tried on anything, but even if it doesn't fit at this point, I do not mind. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Let me just show you guys. Guys, this is actually the package. Can you guys see? Now look at the note. Hey beautiful, thank you so much for your order. We hope this package makes you feel amazing the way your order made us happy. Thank you so at everything. My guys, can you guys believe this? From a vendor I do not know before. How sweet is this message? Like, it made my whole day. Like, I actually ordered something else from somebody I thought I even know, and she was rude to me. She insulted me. Before I got my package, I had to beg. This lady was literally messaging me all around the way. She was even ready to pay for delivery. So guys, I just had my bath and I wanted to go and sleep, go and rest, go and watch Netflix if possible and all that. But then I looked right into my closet and I'm like, I covered my face in shame because my closet is so scattered and I want to go and sleep, and this is 2023. So I said to myself, this is the beginning of new year, new resolution, new me, new everything. So I'm going to clear my closet out, fold everything, give out the ones I don't need anymore, and I'm going to take you guys along. So this is a part of, so that's part of the things I'll be doing today, obviously. But I just want to show you guys the closet. Don't judge, but just look at what I'm saying. Like, it's so much in a mess. I will show you guys. You guys, you know that point whereby your room is like the guest room of the house. Everybody comes in and out and whatever, do what they like when like there's an occasion. That was my room for the last 1 week. It was the guest room, the playroom, the playground. So my things are bound to be very, very scattered. I'm not proud of it though, but we move. Okay, so I'm finally done. So the first step is for my bags. I arrange my bags there. Then this next place is for casual clothes, like clothes I wear to stay at home, to sleep, just to walk around the environment. Then this place is clothes that I wear out and to church, out, just general outing. Then this place, these are materials that I want to sew, I want to make. And this place is for shoes. This is a new, like a very good shoe hack that I learned. This place, woo, you guys can see, like, can you guys remember how it was before I cleared it? So I literally just got this rod this morning. I just got someone to fix this rod this morning. My room didn't have this rod. Then this door too was fixed this morning. So this place, I'll be hanging most of my clothes. I will get hangers by the end of the day or tomorrow to hang more clothes. Then I have my blankets folded nicely here. Then this is the pack of my ring lights. I don't know why I'm keeping it, but I'm keeping it. So that is it. That is that for that. Me and Mide going to buy something. Mide, huh? Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Subscribe.
Hi.
What? Tell them what are you going to buy?
I'm going to buy.
What?
I'm going to buy sweet juice and Captain.
Oh wow. Only you.
Yes.
Will you give me?
Yes.
Okay. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Stop running, oh.
Wow. Wow.
Is it this one? Where is the one you want? Is it this one?
No, this is one. That's one.
Is this the one you want? Eh? Is this the one you want? This is not the one. Okay, where's the one you want? This is the one you want. Are you sure? Are you sure? Okay. Look at it. Look at Capri Sun. That's the one you want. You don't want Capri Sun? Oh yeah, it's okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Carry it. Let's go. Bye.
Bye.
So guys, I'm finally done for the day. I cleared my closet, I cleared my room, I filmed, I edited like 3 shots today. I posted on TikTok, on YouTube. So it was a very productive day. It was a very good day in general. I also took a video on a walk, about some stuff. And that being said, so it's time for me to hop in the shower, bath, hop on my bed. Now I can watch Netflix with one mind. So this year is basically starting on a good note. At least I'm able to keep up my goals, because my goals is to post more on YouTube, post more long form videos, short, and everything in general. So for me to be able to edit and film and edit today was really a good start. Thank you all for watching this video to this point. I really appreciate you all. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please watch my ads. I beg you all, watch my ads, please. And that being said, I love you all. See you next time. Peace.